Greetings from Shakthi International School. Here in this video, I'm going to show small animation demo by using a Scratch application. Before this video, I already shown a demo for the home screen of the Scratch window. So mostly everyone knows the home screen, what are the tools are available, how we can utilize the options from the Scratch palette. Okay, now I'm going to make this an Scratch, right? This is called as a sprite. In the Scratch application, all the objects are called as a sprite. This is a cat, but we are usually calling this as a sprite, and we are going to making this as a animated cat now. I'm just going to make this sprite into a few step walk and turn. Just listen here. For this, we need a control. When the cat should walk, when the green flag, we can see right here, we can see a green flag. When we are clicking this green flag, the cat should walk. So I'm taking this control when green flag clicked here. After that, what we have to do? The motion, the sprite should move 10 steps, right? I'm changing here. We can have a white space 10, right? We can change the steps here. 20 steps I'm giving here. And now I'm going to check the codings. See, you are having a presentation mode here. And I'm going to click the green flag. Hope everyone can see the walk of the cat. See, it's walking, right? So this is how we can achieve the animation for the sprite. This is just I have given a movement alone. I can do the turn also. See, I'm taking this turn 15 degree in the clockwise. Right? Here I can also change the degree 45. And I'm going to do this here. Again, I'm going to check. It should walk as well as it should turn. Can you see? It's walking and turning. Right? So I'm stopping here. We can see in the presentation mode also. While clicking, it's turning as well as it's trying to walk. So here we are completed our coding with a very simple instructions called move and turn. We can have a lot of codings over here. We can utilize the codings, and as well as we can animate the sprite. Any of the sprite we can create newly, or we can take a sprite which is available in the application, and we can make the sprite into do some animation, and we can utilize this application very effectively. Thank you, children. Have a great day.